And what if I haven't met my fiance in person to file a fiance visa, right? So one of the requirements for a fiance visa is having seen this person in person, physically in the same space within the last 2 years before you submit that petition. And that's proven. Usually we use flight itineraries if you live, obviously farther away. And we use flight itineraries, we use photographs, and we use statements from both parties in that couple. So the husband to be, the fiance, and the person that's being sponsored abroad. So that's how we usually prove that you've met in person. In some situations, there are exceptions to having met in person. So religious beliefs and religious practices can be a reason where you might be exempt from having to meet in person within the last 2 years. But in most cases, you will be required to do that fiance visa. You will be required to meet in person your fiance. So I would highly recommend that if that is the route you would like to take. If you haven't met in person, you might consider doing a green card application directly if you haven't seen each other in 2 years. If you can get married, you might just consider doing that. The timing isn't all too different, so it's just you have some options, and you should certainly talk to an attorney about that. Excuse me, if you can. Okay, feel free to reach out to us. You can call us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663.